I cook rice. I cook rice. I wash a plate. I wash a plate. I cut a tomato. I cut a tomato. I drink water. I drink water. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove. I put the bread in the toaster. I put the bread in the toaster. I pour some milk into a glass. I pour some milk into a glass. I wash my hands in the sink. I wash my hands in the sink. I take a pan from the cabinet. I take a pan from the cabinet. I chop an onion for dinner. I chop an onion for dinner. I add some salt to the soup. I add some salt to the soup. I mix the eggs in a bowl. I mix the eggs in a bowl. I clean the kitchen table. I clean the kitchen table. I close the freezer door. I close the freezer door. I am boiling water for pasta. I am boiling water for pasta. I am frying an egg in the pan. I am frying an egg in the pan. I am setting the table for lunch. I am setting the table for lunch. I am taking the cake out of the oven. I am taking the cake out of the oven. I am putting the leftovers in the fridge. I am putting the leftovers in the fridge. I am looking for the sugar. I am looking for the sugar. I forgot to buy butter. I forgot to buy butter. I need a clean knife. I need a clean knife. The soup smells really good. The soup smells really good. I am waiting for the water to boil. I am waiting for the water to boil. I am putting the dishes in the dishwasher. I am putting the dishes in the dishwasher. I am checking the oven temperature. I am checking the oven temperature. I am slicing the bread carefully. I am slicing the bread carefully. I am pouring some oil into the pan. I am pouring some oil into the pan. I am tasting the sauce with a spoon. I am tasting the sauce with a spoon.
Don't forget to hit that like button and drop a comment below telling me one new thing you learned today.